Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like.
Bent on frustrating, misrepresenting facts and
each
the
time
data,
we post.
misrepresenting the
Love you
financial
guys.
transaction of the whole thing, misrepresenting the unit and the kilowatt hours, misrepresenting the state and the entire objective. The most unfortunate aspect of it is the fact that we have a history of Metro Line. We are getting closer to that. An investor brought their money, we appealed to them without a penny from our own pocket, and some people are bent because they think one way or the other that Lagos State, the welfare of people and the economy should not enjoy the short-term benefit and long-term benefit coming from them.
One thing people want to know about is how affordable. Because if you
Look,
talk of
affordability is not the question. How affordable is the electricity? How affordable is the noise level of the multi-unit generating site that is in there that is causing numerous noise and air pollution to our children? How much is the cost of NEPA's own production before they enjoy the subsidy nationally? How much is Lagos' contribution to the economic and revenue development of NEPA? Those are the questions that should be answered. It's not, people are ready to pay for this. You are already paying for it.
So, how do you feel about the situation of things as it's frustrating people?
I am terribly angry and terribly frustrated that the people's mandate, the true federalism, is not in practice. Overly centralized government of dishonest characters are frustrating the whole project. Thank you very much.